In this video, I will show you how to delete your YouTube search history very fast. Open up your YouTube app. Click on your profile icon. Click on the setting icon. Click on your data in YouTube. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to search history right here. So what you need to do is to click on manage your search history. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is see all your search history right here. So you can delete them manually by simply tap on here. They will be deleting just like so. Then go ahead and click on got it. However, you can do mass deletion. For that, simply click on here. Then you can simply delete today on, delete range, or delete all time. So if I click on delete today, all the search history for today will be deleted just like so. Then you can see yesterday one right here. Everything depends on how and the best way you want to use to delete your search history on your YouTube app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.